What is binary fission? Binary fission is a form of asexual reproduction that is commonly observed in unicellular organisms, particularly bacteria and some protists. It's a simple and efficient method of reproduction that allows a single cell to divide into two identical daughter cells, each with a complete set of genetic material. Here's how binary fission works. Duplication of genetic material. Before binary fission begins, the single-celled organism undergoes a process where its genetic material, usually a single circular chromosome in prokaryotes like bacteria, is duplicated. This ensures that each daughter cell will receive a complete set of genetic instructions. Cell elongation. The cell elongates or stretches, and the duplicated genetic material is positioned near the center of the cell. Septum formation, optional. In some organisms, a septum or partition may form at the center of the cell, separating the genetic material and other cell components into two distinct sections. In others, this step is not necessary, and the process proceeds without septum formation. Cell division. The cell membrane and cell wall, if present, begin to pinch inwards or divide, typically along the axis where the septum formed, if it did. This constriction continues until the cell is nearly divided into two separate daughter cells. Formation of daughter cells. Eventually, the cell membrane and cell wall, if present, fully separate the two daughter cells. Each daughter cell now contains a copy of the genetic material and other cellular components, and they are genetically identical to the parent cell. Completion of binary fission. The process is complete when two distinct daughter cells are formed, each capable of functioning independently and growing into a mature organism under favorable conditions. Binary fission is a rapid and efficient way for unicellular organisms to reproduce when conditions are favorable. It allows them to quickly increase their population size, and since the offspring are genetically identical to the parent, there is no genetic variation introduced through this method of reproduction. This process is in contrast to sexual reproduction, where genetic material from two parent organisms is combined to produce genetically diverse offspring.